Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can move the taskbar on Chromebook. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So when you are using your touchpad, you can tap with your two fingers on the screen, and here you will have several options. So you can go to shelf position and you will have option to put it on the left or bottom or the right. So for example, let's tap on the right. So we can see that the taskbar actually moved from the bottom to the right. Now, when you are using a mouse, you can go ahead and right click on your screen and you will have the same options as before. So you can go to shelf position. Now let's try left. Now the taskbar should be moved to the left. Alright, so there we have it, guys. This is how you can move the taskbar on Chromebook. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.